So before starting the Masters, I had pretty much no experience in editing. I was coming up to my 40s and I needed to do a career change. The degree for me has allowed me to do that career change that I was aiming to do and follow a passion that I've kind of held for a very long time in my life. When I consciously made a decision to change career, I scoured the internet looking for any sort of resource or course that would teach me how to be the editor that I wanted to be. But unfortunately, most of the material out there was all focused at how to use the software and didn't really teach you the art of editing. They weren't answering the questions, such as why does one cut work over another, or how to elicit an emotion with the audience. And I really struggled until I actually just stumbled across this craft editing masters, which was so unique and different from all of these other resources that I've came across, that I knew it was going to answer the questions that I was looking for and hopefully allow me to become the editor that I wanted to be. One of the most useful parts of this course is the one-to-one sessions with our tutors, where we look at our coursework that we've been doing over the semester, and the tutor dissects the piece and explains what's working, what's not working, and explains why. And it was this critical kind of analysis that allowed me to progress as much as I have done in such a short space of time. And I think without it, I would not be the editor that I am today. My abilities have grown exponentially over the last year, and I feel like without having done this course, I would be in no way near as confident with my own abilities and my aspirations to become an editor. And I really am thankful for having taken that step and gone on to this course. I would absolutely recommend this course. It has opened my eyes to the intricacies and the depth of what editing truly is about and how good it can be.